Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dhanush. You guys are watching Do Reactions. So today I will be giving my review on Vikrant Rona's sneak peek, guys. Vikrant Rona's sneak peek was released yesterday at 9 p.m. on Burj Khalifa. This is the first I can tell. This is the first movie in the world, I can tell, to release their sneak peek or sneak peek on Burj Khalifa. So it's a proud moment for us, right? Yes guys, it's like a big proud moment for us, because a movie releasing in Burj Khalifa means, like, seriously guys, when the movie team announced it, I was not able to imagine itself. After watching the sneak peek on Burj Khalifa, what was my experience is that amazing, guys, just amazing, I can tell, top notch, I can tell. See guys, releasing on Burj Khalifa means, like, it's not a joke, right? See, hard work and determination should be there from the movie team. This is the just best example for you guys, that hard work and determination can give you success. So this movie just proved it, I can tell. So if I tell about the movie details, this movie is directed by Anup Bandari sir and produced by Shalini ma'am. And in this movie you can see Kicha Sudeep sir in the leading role, Abhinaya Chakravarti of Indian cinema. What to tell about him, guys? Extraordinary person, superb in his acting, a fabulous guy, I can tell. The music and background score is done by B. Ajnish Loknath sir. Yes, I want to talk about Ajnish Loknath sir a lot, because the music, guys, in the sneak peek was the highlight, I can tell. For me, it was the highlight, because this music gave us the theme of the movie, guys. Because the music gave us that the movie has action sequences, emotions, and I can tell a good storyline also. The music itself tells, so that is like excellent. I thought that is the excellent thing in the sneak peek, I can tell. This work, that is the work is done by Ajnish Loknath sir. Excellent work, right? A music is telling everything for a sneak peek means it's like excellent. I really like the sneak peek, guys, the way they have shown the sneak peek. In the sneak peek you can see Kicha Sudeep sir and Nirup Bandari sir, and even you can see the heroine of this movie also. A fabulous effort, guys, from the movie team by making this sneak peek. Even the sneak peek was designed like it should suit the Burj Khalifa's tower exactly. It should suit, right? So the way they have edited it, perfectly they have edited, I can tell. The ratio was perfect, height and width, it was perfect, I can tell. I really liked it. And Vikrant Rona is the character, guys, which is played by Kicha Sudeep in the movie Vikrant Rona. Before, the movie name was Phantom, but now it's got changed. Now it's Vikrant Rona. The logo was like superb, guys, fascinating logo, I can tell. The logo itself tells that this movie is based on an adventurous story. I think Kicha Sudeep sir is playing a role of police officer, or I don't know, like, it's like adventurous story. You guys know that, I think. So this is the main highlight point of the movie. That is the main highlight point, the character Vikrant Rona. So as I told, that adventurous means, I don't know for what purpose sir will come to this to the place. I don't know. We have to watch one more teaser or any trailer for that. So the the sneak peek gave us just characterization of all the cast. I mean, Nirup Bandari and the heroine of this movie. So fabulous effort from the movie team, guys. I really liked it, I can tell. So this is my review, guys. Hope you liked it. What to tell more, guys? Excellent sneak peek, proud moment for us. I didn't even imagine that this movie sneak peek will be releasing on Burj Khalifa. Before 2 days I got to know that it's gonna release. Then even yesterday I saw the live Today morning in Kicha Creations YouTube channel, they released the exact video of that sneak peek. I mean the live event. It was like best experience for me that I watched. It was like superb, I can tell. This is my review, guys, on the sneak peek. All the best for the movie team. And one more thing, if I tell, this movie is gonna release in 50 plus countries and in 11 languages. Even I heard that this movie is a 3D movie. Superb, guys. Expecting more from the movie team. All the best for the movie team. This movie has to make us more proud. This movie will make, guys, this movie can gonna create a record, I can tell. All the best for the movie team once again. So this is my review, guys. Hope you liked it. So this is so done, guys. Everything is done. I want to tell more, but it's like amazing experience. Yeah, that's it, guys, from my side. Hope you liked it. So please be waiting for my next video, guys. Till that, take care. Bye bye.